On 17th of November, 9 militants of newly floated militants outfit Adivasi People Liberation Army APLA give up arms at Bokajan Police Station in presence of SDPO Jondas APS, Moblik Brahma OC Bokajan, Roman Bordoloi OC Khatkati and intelligence team. The militants were identified as Jayanta Hau, Dimesh Urang, Sahato Imchungar, Bimal Topno, Sotu Karmakar, Gopal Bariek, Chauja Shyam, Joseph Barla, Paul Karya. The weapons surrendered includes 122 semi-auto rifles, 1 SBBL rifle, 1 indigenously built rifle, 132 pistol, 2 grenades and live ammunitions. Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Karbianglong Live. On 16th of November, around 9 a.m. late morning, it was reported that one person died while one sustained critical injuries after they had encountered with a JCB mishap at stone crossing site at Jilangso, Selonijan under Borpothar police station. According to reports, Rup Singh Kiling, 21 years old son of Longkiram Kiling, residents of Riso Tiso village, Jilangso, Selonijan, and Sarlongki Kiling, 22 years old son of Bronson Kiling, residents of Jilangso, Selonijan. Both of them went for works on 16th of November at Rajesh Bhatti and Amit Malpani Binayak Shyam Balaji Industry Stone Crusher site. It was then when an unfortunate mishap of JCB was encountered. The hands of JCB accidentally detached from the main body while consequently fell upon them, killing one person and made one person critically injured. Both the victims of the accidents were rushed to the nearest hospital, Bokajan CHC. Rup Singh Kiling was declared dead as his body was sent to Dibhu Medical College and Hospital for post-mortem report. Sarlongki Kiling was referred to Zion Hospital, Dimapur for his further treatment. Adding a note to that, it was very surprising as no any compensations and condolences were offered to their bereaved family from their employers even after an unfortunate accident had taken place at the stone crusher site. And not even a single penny was given as an aid to the victim. Moreover, Borpothar police seems to neglect the case from their possession. Therefore, families of the victims appeal Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbianglong Autonomous Council to intervene into this matter and set up an investigation to this case and find out the actual facts of the incidents. And also to relocate the stone crusher sites away from Jilangso, Selonijan if possible.
Nili suapok lo, nili kecolana be ke bang lo.
Dek dulu, nangkiri pia bang sikit dam tang jui ke.
Nangkiri pia bang hidam tang jui lo, kelana dia fan ke. Lasi nili fan ke pick up e, kombir hum ke, nili pinang ji.
Nili ke lapu lagi puji kan.
Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Karbianglong Live.